OpenAI CEO Sam Altman claims AI will break capitalism. Introduction. Written by Liquid Ocelot. In a recent interview with Forbes, Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI and creator of ChatGPT, declared that AI will be a major factor in breaking capitalism. Altman's declaration is an intriguing one, especially considering the meteoric rise of ChatGPT, one of the most popular consumer applications in the world. It begs the question, what does Sam Altman mean when he says AI will break capitalism? What did Sam Altman say in his interview with Forbes? Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, spoke about ChatGPT's explosive growth in a recent interview with Forbes reporter Alex Conrad. ChatGPT was developed by OpenAI with the intention of improving human chatbot interactions. Also, the 2023 artificial intelligence boom has been sparked by ChatGPT. As OpenAI is not yet open source software, there is a gap between the foundation of the company and the influx of investor funding. Alex Conrad noted during the interview about capitalism. Altman's remark was interesting. I think capitalism is fantastic. He said, I appreciate capitalism. Of all the horrible systems in the world, this one is the best, or at least the least bad, that we have so far discovered. I hope we come up with a better solution. If artificial general intelligence materializes, Altman continued, he can see all these ways that it undermines capitalism. This assertion implies that OpenAI is ready for whatever may happen and relates to the potential disruption that AI on could have on current economic structures. Artificial general intelligence creation, according to OpenAI CEO, is the motivation behind all of his actions. In order to improve the discussion individuals have with chatbots, OpenAI developed ChatGPT, a chatbot technology that was put into use. Since then, in 2023, this has led to the start of the artificial intelligence boom. The development of artificial general intelligence, according to Altman, is the motivation behind all he does. He also offered an intriguing comment about capitalism. I think capitalism is fantastic, said Altman. I appreciate capitalism. Of all the horrible systems in the world, this one is the best and at least the least bad that we have so far discovered. I hope we come up with a better solution. He continued by saying that he can see all these ways that it undermines capitalism if artificial general intelligence materializes. Altman didn't give any specifics, but his assertion suggests that the development of artificial general intelligence may lead to the disruption and eventual replacement of various elements of current economic frameworks, including capitalism. Markets that are more effective and decentralized and where people may transact commerce and generate money directly with one another may be made possible by AI technology. It might also mean increased potential of automation and for machines to carry out difficult tasks, which would make it unnecessary for workers in several industries. Altman's claim certainly makes one wonder what would become of capitalism if AI is more broadly incorporated into daily life. We need to keep an eye on how AI evolves and how it will affect our economy in the coming years.